Oak Woodland Residence is a home nestled into the woods that blending the client's traditional and modern tastes. Located in a magnificent, park-like setting filled with mature, 80-foot-tall oak trees, this residence meets the client's desire for a family home that is casual, stylish, functional, and adaptable. Utilizing clean lines and a pared-down palette of cedar, metal, and concrete, the two-story residence borders an open space preserve. Upon arrival at the formal entry, visitors can immediately experience the natural setting through seamless indoor-outdoor connections. Inside, the family activities can happen in a communal way. Stained wood plank doors were installed in painted frames with textural bronze hardware. Gentle gray limestone floors were combined with warm walnut planks, and walls were covered in grayed white paint to create a feeling of warm modernity. The stone on the fireplace is the same material as the stone flooring but hand-treated in a brushstroke-like effect that lends the surface light, elegant texture. Flexible indoor and outdoor spaces allow for the use and enjoyment of the site in its entirety, both house and grounds. The home was organized into public and private zones that live small day-to-day for the family but can expand to accommodate bigger gatherings and events. Interior materials and color palette complement the architecture and work their way throughout the house across a variety of different finishes. The home's rooflines are stretched to protect the interiors from hot summers while responding to forms prominent in the California rural landscape, which served as design inspiration for the home. The living, dining, and cooking are immediately adjacent to the pool and terrace. All interior furnishings that were designed and curated for the project complement the casual yet dynamic architecture while giving a chic air to the residence. A mudroom with cubbies allows for easy organization of family belongings. Simple sculptural shapes, textural woven fabrics, organic elements, and a few accents of forest colors complete the marriage of inside and out. Here's a look at the plan. The property borders an open space preserve. Overall, the residence's indoor and outdoor design reconciles historic context, building constraints, and functionality, resulting in a cohesive and harmonious space for living.